Hi there, and welcome to Blue Brief, your practical guide to tendering and procurement in South Africa. I'm Sam, a tendering expert with over a decade of experience helping entrepreneurs, consultants, and small businesses submit compliant, winning bids. Whether you're brand new to the world of government tenders or you're already knee-deep in SEM paperwork, this channel is built for you. Let's face it, the tendering process can be confusing, overwhelming, and full of red tape. That's why we're here, to simplify it step by step. On this channel, you'll learn how to register on the Central Supplier Database, what SBD forms are and how to complete them, how to respond to a request for quotation, RFQ or Terms of Reference, TOR, and most importantly, how to stay compliant and competitive in every bid. Each video is short, faceless, and focused, just what you need to stay informed and ahead in South Africa's procurement space. So, if you're ready to stop guessing and start submitting better bids, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's grow your business, one tender at a time. This is Blue Brief, tendering made simple, winning made possible.